Wow, David, look at this place. I can't believe how many people are here today. The shopping mall is so crowded.
I know, Emma. I've never seen it this busy before. It's hard to even walk. Why is everyone here? Is there a special event happening?
You forgot, didn't you? It's the first day of the big annual summer sale. I told you about it last week. Every store has huge discounts.
Ah, that explains it. The big sale. Now I remember. I should have prepared myself for these crowds. It's a bit overwhelming.
Don't worry, we just need a good plan. We can't wander around without a purpose. We need to be strategic. The best deals will sell out quickly.
Strategic shopping? That sounds serious. What's the plan then? Where should we start this adventure?
I think we should start with clothes. We both said we needed some new things for our summer vacation. Let's head to the big department store on the second floor. They usually have the best selection.
Okay, the department store it is. But if the crowds get too intense, we might need an emergency plan to escape to the coffee shop.
That's a fair deal. Let's focus on finding some bargains first, and then we can reward ourselves with coffee and cake later.
You know how to motivate me. All right, lead the way. Let's dive into the madness of the big sale. I hope we find some amazing deals. Okay, we made it inside the department store. It's just as busy in here as it was in the rest of the mall. Look at all these signs.
I know, it's exciting. 50% off, clearance, buy one, get one free. There are so many different offers. We need to keep our eyes open.
50% off is a great discount. That means everything is half price. What does clearance mean exactly?
Clearance usually means it's the final stock of an item. The store wants to sell it completely to make space for new things. So the prices are usually very, very low.
I see. So clearance items are the best bargains, but there might not be many sizes left. It's a bit of a treasure hunt.
Exactly. That's the fun of it. Now, let's find the right departments. The signs above us should help. I see women's fashion over to the left.
And I see a sign for men's fashion on the other side, near the back of the store. Should we split up to save time?
That's a good idea. We can look for what we want, and then we can meet up later to show each other what we found. Where should we meet?
How about we meet at the fitting rooms in about half an hour? The fitting rooms are usually located between the men's and women's sections.
Perfect plan. That gives us enough time to look around properly. Okay, I'm going to look for a new summer dress. What are you looking for?
I've been needing a new lightweight jacket, something for cooler evenings. I'll see if I can find a good one on sale. See you in 30 minutes.
Okay, this is the dress section. There are so many beautiful options, but everything is very disorganized. People have been looking through these racks all day.
Let's see. Jackets. Where are they? Ah, over here.
This blue dress is gorgeous. I love the color. And look at the tag. It was originally $80, but now it's only $40. That's a 50% discount.
This black jacket looks really nice. It feels like good quality. Let me check the price. Original price, $150. Sale price? Wow, only $60. That's more than half off.
Now I need to find this blue dress in my size. I wear a size medium. Let's see what they have. This is a small. This is an extra large. It's hard to find the right tag.
Hmm. This jacket is a size large. I usually wear a large, but sometimes a medium fits me better depending on the brand. I should probably try it on to be sure.
Oh, this is frustrating. All the dresses on this rack are either very small or very large. It seems like all the medium sizes are gone. Maybe I should look on a different rack.
Hmm. I think I'll take this one to the fitting room. A $60 jacket is a bargain I don't want to miss. I hope it fits me well.
Success! I found another rack of the same dresses hidden behind some coats. And look, there is one medium left. It must be my lucky day. I'll take this and go meet David.
Okay, I have the jacket I like. I'm going to head towards the fitting rooms now. I hope Emma had some luck finding her dress.
This store is like a maze. I'm trying to find the fitting rooms. I think David said they were in the middle of the floor.
I've been looking for a jacket like this for a long time. It's simple, but it looks very stylish. And the original price was quite high, so I know the quality is good.
Getting a good deal is such a satisfying feeling. It feels like you are winning a game. I got this beautiful dress for the price of a casual t-shirt.
The key to shopping at a sale is to buy things you actually need. It's easy to get excited and buy things just because they are cheap.
That is very true. You have to ask yourself, would I buy this if it wasn't on sale? If the answer is no, you should probably leave it. But I definitely need a new dress for our vacation.
And I definitely need a new jacket. So we are being smart shoppers today. We are buying things we need at a great price. It's a win-win situation.
I see the sign for the fitting rooms, and I see David waiting nearby. Perfect timing. Let's go see if our treasures are a good fit.
Hi, Emma. Did you find anything good? I see you have a dress there.
I did! I found the perfect one, and it was the last one in my size. What about you? Is that the jacket you were looking for? It looks great! I'm so excited to try this dress on. I really hope it looks as good on me as it does on the hanger. What about you, David?
I have a good feeling about this jacket. It seems like the perfect style for me. Oh, but look at that line for the fitting rooms. It's so long.
Oh my goodness! There must be at least 10 people waiting in front of us. This is the downside of shopping during a big sale.
Everyone in the store wants to try things on. I guess we have to wait. How many items are we allowed to take in at one time?
The sign says maximum of 5 items per person. We only have 1 item each, so that's no problem for us. But it might make the line move slowly if people have a lot to try on.
Well, we've come this far. A little more waiting won't hurt us. It gives us more time to talk. So, was it difficult to find your dress?
It was a real challenge. The racks were so messy, and it was hard to find the right size. But I was determined. I think sale shopping requires a lot of patience.
It certainly does. You need patience for the crowds, for searching through messy racks, and for these long lines. But the reward is a great bargain.
Exactly. For a 50% discount, I am willing to be very patient. And think about the people who work here. It must be a very stressful day for them.
I can only imagine. They are probably very tired. We should make sure to be extra polite to the sales assistants. Look, the line is moving. We are getting closer. Okay, it's finally our turn. The assistant gave me a tag with the number 1 for my one item. I'll take the fitting room on the left.
And I have my tag too. I'll take the one on the right. Let's meet back here in a few minutes to show each other how they look. Good luck.
You too. Okay, let me try on this jacket. It's easy to put on. The material feels very nice and smooth. Now let me look in the mirror.
This dress is so lovely. The color is perfect. It fits me really well around the waist. It's not too tight and not too loose. I feel great in it.
This is not quite right. The style is perfect, but the fit is a little strange. The sleeves are a little too long, and it feels very loose around my shoulders.
I think this is a definite yes for me. This dress is perfect for a warm evening on our vacation. I am so happy I found it. I'll just change back now.
I think this jacket is a size too big for me. I thought a large was my size, but this brand must have a bigger fit. That is so disappointing.
I'm all done. I'm coming out now. How did your jacket fit, David?
Hi, Emma. Your dress... Wait, you changed already? Did you like it?
I loved it. It fit perfectly. I'm definitely buying it. But you don't look very happy. What's wrong with the jacket?
It's too big. I love everything else about it, but the size is wrong. And I didn't see any other sizes on the rack. I think I have to leave it.
Oh, David, don't give up so easily. We can't let a perfect jacket get away just because of the size. Let's go back to the rack and look again.
I already looked very carefully. There were only large and extra large sizes left. All the smaller sizes were probably sold this morning.
Maybe. But sometimes items get put back in the wrong place. Someone might have tried on a medium and then put it on the wrong rack. Let's do a thorough search.
I suppose it's worth a try, but I don't feel very hopeful. The most popular sizes always sell out first during a sale.
Let's stay positive. If we can't find it on the racks, we can ask a sales assistant for help. They are very busy, but they might be able to help us.
How can they help? If it's not on the floor, it's gone, right?
Not always. Sometimes they have extra stock in the storeroom in the back. Or their computer system can tell them if another one of their stores in the city has the jacket in a medium.
That's a good point. I didn't think about checking the stock room. Okay, you've convinced me. Let's look for a sales assistant.
I see a woman over there who is folding sweaters. She doesn't look too busy with a customer right now. Let's go ask her politely.
Okay, let's go. Excuse me, I'm so sorry to bother you. We have a quick question about an item. That sales assistant was incredibly helpful and friendly, even with how busy it is today.
She was wonderful. I'm so glad we asked her. What did she say after she scanned the barcode on your jacket?
She checked on her little computer device. She said that the medium sizes are completely sold out in this store. My heart sank when she said that.
Oh no, so my idea didn't work?
Wait, there's more to the story. She said that they are sold out on the sales floor, but her device showed that there was still one jacket in a medium in the stockroom.
Really? In the back room? That is the best news. So you can get it.
Yes, she said that sometimes the stock numbers aren't perfectly accurate during a huge sale, but she was going to go and have a look for it. She told us to wait here for a few minutes.
I have a good feeling about this. My fingers are crossed that she finds it for you. It's such a nice jacket, and the price is unbelievable.
I know. I really hope she finds it. While we are waiting, what should we do?
Well, while you were talking to her, my eyes wandered over to that display of shoes, and I saw something dangerous.
Dangerous? What do you mean?
I saw the most perfect pair of sandals, and David, they would match my new blue dress perfectly. And they are also 70% off. It feels like destiny.
70% off? That is a huge discount. Are you going to buy the sandals too?
I am so tempted. They are exactly what I was looking for, and I didn't expect to find them today. It feels like a sign.
We did come here with a plan to only buy clothes that we need. Do you need a new pair of sandals?
That is a very good question. I don't strictly need them. I have other sandals, but I don't have any that are this color, and this price is a once-a-year opportunity.
It is a fantastic deal, and they would look really good with your new dress. We did save a lot of money on the dress and my jacket.
That's what I was thinking. The total amount for all three items would still be less than the original price of just your jacket. When you look at it that way, it's a very smart purchase.
You are very good at shopping logic. Oh, look! The sales assistant is coming back, and she is holding something.
Is it the jacket? Please let it be the jacket.
It is! It's the jacket in a medium! She found it! That is amazing! Thank you so, so much. You have been so helpful.
See? I told you it was worth asking. Now you have to go try it on again, quickly, before someone else buys it.
You're right. I'll be right back. I'll just use the same fitting room. Okay, I'm back. It fits perfectly. It's absolutely perfect. Now, our shopping trip is a complete success. So, what's the final decision on the sandals?
Since your jacket is now perfect, I think we should complete our successful trip by buying the sandals. I've decided. It's a smart purchase because of the amazing discount.
I support your decision. You deserve a treat. And you will look fantastic. So we have a dress, a jacket, and a pair of sandals. Are we ready to face the final challenge?
The final challenge? What do you mean?
The checkout line. Look over there. It's even longer than the line for the fitting rooms. It goes all the way to the back of the store.
Oh, wow. You are right. That is a monster of a line. We might be waiting here for another half an hour.
At least we can feel happy while we wait. We have our successful purchases in our hands, and we can look at them and feel good about the bargains we found.
That's true. I am so happy with my dress, and I am so glad you found your jacket in the right size. Our mission was a success.
It was. We were patient, we were strategic, and we were even a little lucky. We saved a lot of money today.
The total for everything is about $130. The original price would have been over $300. That's a saving of more than $170.
When you say it like that, the waiting and the crowds feel completely worth it. I feel like a professional bargain hunter now.
Me too. We make a great shopping team. Now, let's just relax. The line is moving, slowly but surely. Soon we will be at the coffee shop with our cake.